TV දෙරණ සමගින් මෙදාසරේ ලොස් ඇන්ජලිස් අවුරුදු ගම්මානය 2025.
The sun has moved from House of Pisces to the House of Aries. This is the end of one agricultural season and the beginning of another. People have harvested the crops from the previous year. They have sold, now they have wealth and prosperity. Now they cook traditional Sri Lankan food. This tradition is dating back thousands of years. Sri Lankan, Tamils and Sinhalese get together during this season with all kind of traditional food made with the new crops that they just harvested. Buy new clothes, invite friends and families and celebrate this most beautiful, extravagant tradition. So we are no exception, even though we are living in Southern California in the United States. We have also organized Sri Lanka America Association, who just celebrated 50 years in existence a few weeks ago, have organized Sri Lankan traditional Sinhala Tamil New Year. We will celebrate that at the Henry Wilson Park in Torrance, California on next Sunday, the 13th of April, 2025. So we like to invite all our friends and families to come and celebrate with us. This year, we are celebrating this event together. We are trying to live broadcast this event by Derana TV. We are going to have a lot of food, a lot of entertainment, a lot of competition for you all to participate. Please come and celebrate with us.
දකුණු කැලිෆෝනියා ශ්‍රී ලංකා ඇමරිකා සංගමයේ අපේ අභිමානයෙන් මෙවරක් සංවිධානය කරන 2025 අලුත් අවුරුදු ගම්මානය. අප්‍රේල් 13 ඉරිදා උදේ 9ට ටොරන්ටෝදී.
දිනය අමතක නොකර ඔබත් එන්න. පවුලේ හැමෝමත් එක්ක. අවුරුදු කාලේ ඇවිදිලා
රටින් පිට හිටියත් අපිට අපේ කම මතක නැහැ.